Hello, today we will guide you through how to send bulk emails with Microsoft Outlook. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on using Outlook's mail merge capability so you can send a single message to many recipients while keeping each email personalized and professional. This approach is cleaner than copying everyone on one thread and helps protect recipient privacy. Start by opening Outlook in your browser or desktop app and go to your inbox. If Outlook opens to another area like Calendar or People, switch back to your main inbox so you're looking at your messages and folder list. Being in the inbox ensures the Compose tools you need are available. Next, make sure you're in the Mail view. You'll typically find Mail in the App Switcher or Navigation on the left. Selecting Mail confirms you're in the correct workspace for composing and sending messages, which is essential before starting a merge. Now click New Mail. This opens a fresh Compose window where you'll see the to line, the subject field, and the message body. For Mail Merge, the draft message is your template. You can think about how you'd like to greet recipients and where personalization might appear, but we'll set that up through the merge workflow rather than adding names manually. With the new message open, go to the Options tab. Options is where Outlook gathers advanced sending tools. It's the right place to be when you want features beyond a standard one-to-one email. If you don't see Options, make sure the Compose window is active and not minimized. Within Options, choose Start Mail Merge. This tells Outlook you want to send this message to multiple recipients with individual copies. From here, Outlook will guide you through the merge process. The benefit is that each person receives a tailored email rather than being included on a group message, improving deliverability and professionalism. Personalization can include items like a first name or company field you've prepared in your list, keeping the tone warm and relevant. A few best practices as you proceed. Send only to people who expect to hear from you. Keep your subject clear and aligned with the content, and avoid excessive images or spam triggering phrases. Consider sending a small test to yourself first so you can confirm formatting and links. Finally, be mindful of your organization's policies and applicable regulations, offering a clear way for recipients to manage their preferences where required. That's it. You've reached the Start Mail Merge command in Outlook, and you're ready to send personalized emails at scale with confidence.